Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix that Instagram feed is not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram here like I am doing. Okay, and then you need to update your Instagram. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date, then you need to go back and go into your smartphone settings, and then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Instagram, and then you need to clear storage and cache. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and allow all permissions. Once you've done that, you simply need to log in into your account on Instagram, and after that your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.